Hello, entrepreneurs. Today, we are going to get into step one of our event planning process, which is to create a vision for your event. So, how do we do that exactly? Well, to create a complete vision for your event, we're going to have to know what your goals are. What are you trying to accomplish? So, if you are a service-based business or you are a product-based business, makes no difference. You can still market your service or your product through an event, but you need to know what you want to accomplish with your event. Are you trying to establish yourself as the subject matter expert in your industry? Are you trying to show that your product is easy to use and the best there is out there? What are you trying to accomplish? I need you to write down your top three goals of what you are trying to accomplish with an event. Then I would like for you to decide what type of event you are going to have. Now, there are several different types of events out there depending on what your goals are. So we start with your goals and then we determine what type of event you should have to accomplish your goals. After you define what your goals are, then you determine what type of event you should have. So, depending on what your goals are, you may decide to do a workshop. You may decide to do a product launch. You may decide to do a full on conference or maybe a summit with lots of speakers. You may decide to do a networking event, party, whatever, etc. There are lots of different types of events, and we'll go through those different types of events and how they fit different business goals in another video. But today, when just creating your vision, we're going to get your business goals. And number two, find out what type of event will best fit those goals. Last, but certainly not least, we are going to determine what success will look like for your event. And here, I really want you to take some time with this one because you're going to determine things like how many people would I like to see at my event? How much money would I like to make in my event? You have to be, and I want you to be specific here. I want you to create um, this this vision for your successful event that is very, very specific. I want numbers. I would like in my event, success would be having 100 people come to my event and 90 of those people will buy into my program or buy my product or contract with me for my service. Be specific about what a successful event will look like because you will use that particular step throughout your event planning process, and even post event, you will come back to this very same subject to find out, to revisit your goals. So, what are your business goals? Your business goals will then tell you what type of event you should have, and then determining what type of event you should have, you go to the next step, which will be what will a successful conference look like? What will a successful workshop look like? What will a successful summit? What will a successful product launch look like? And be very, very specific. That's it. That is step one of the event planning process. The next step in the event planning process will be creating a budget. This by far is one of the most important steps for your event because it's all around the money. It's all about the money. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe so that you will get notified when that next video is up and ready for you to view. In the meantime, you guys have a wonderful day. See you later.